He's got a new wheel, suspension wheel. Looks pretty sick though. Oh, it's so sandy.
I had this thing up to 77 the other night, or yesterday. Last night I had this thing up 77 kilometers an hour.
Damn.
It'll go faster. I know, I can feel it'll go faster. This wheel theoretically will do 95.
Fucking hell. Let's throw on the road over there.
Fuck no. I'm not doing that.
A lot of poison ivy. Whoa, shit. This is actually kind of cool. Woo!
Oh, so fucking nice. Alright, we have decisions to make. A, do we go back? B, do we go straight? C, do we go left? D, do we go right? Or E, we just fuck right here.
Fuck right here. I'm down for option number.
Nah.
Well, I guess let's go D then.
I don't know what D was again.
Right.
Okay.
Alright, it's time to do the big drop.
Oh, fuck that.
It'd be easy with suspension.
Fuck no.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video.
I tell you though, being able to sit down while riding is so nice.
Yeah.
I can just fucking hop on.
Real.
Where are we going, fam?
I don't even know. Just come. Hey, yo! Oh fuck! What a cheater. Alright, let's go back, ride some real trails. Wow! Let's get some proper shots in it.
63.
Shit! Let's fucking decon. Oh god. He's gonna struggle through this, bro. See if he survives. Oh, he did. Fucking yeah. Yeah, we're back right next to the parking lot. That's hilarious. Sweet overtake. God damn it. I don't even know where we are. You want to do rock, paper, scissors? And I'll be right, you be left.
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Fuck. So left.
Which way do I go?
Left.
Yeah.
So sketch.
It's heavy. Now stand up and just shove up and down.
This thing's so fucking
just, like,
scary.
Push
dude.
down.
Oh shit.
See the suspension?
Yeah,
That's
sick.
nice.
So intimidating.
Oh yeah, this is a big wheel. Take one foot off.
There we go.
There you go.